Producer Accreditation and Reaccreditation for Australia's Livestock Production Assurance program is getting an upgrade to be more personalised, more helpful and more effective. LPA is Australia's on-farm quality assurance program which underpins our red meat sector. Without it, our industry would not be what it is today. After all, most Australian processors and major retailers require their livestock to come from an LPA accredited property. With a new self-assessment tool, the accreditation and reaccreditation process are tailored to your livestock operation to help you improve it. It helps identify on-farm risks specific to your property, with personalised recommendations to understand and reduce those risks. And it only takes about 20 minutes. Here's how you do it. There are 3 simple steps, or 4 if you're MSA registered, to complete as part of the LPA accreditation and reaccreditation process. Once underway, you'll be given an opportunity to upload or complete your biosecurity plan, or continue straight to the self-assessment. Next, you'll see questions on the left-hand side of the screen. There's a brief overview of the LPA requirements and what you need to do on farm to meet them. Read that carefully, then click Next. Now you'll answer a series of questions, from yes/no type questions to selecting multiple options. Complete all the questions, then submit the self-assessment and go through the next steps to complete your MSA accreditation, if accredited, or other voluntary modules, your declaration and payment. On the LPA accreditation completion page, download your personalised recommendations report. In it, you'll find customised guidance to identify any risks and better understand how those specific risks will apply to your enterprise. You can also access resources to help you improve your on-farm operations based on the answers you selected. LPA accreditation helps you maintain on-farm systems to minimise the risk of contamination and infectious disease outbreaks. It also ensures a robust system of red meat traceability. Should a food safety issue occur, producers are responsible for upholding those traceability requirements and supplying accurate information every time livestock is transported. Consumers who enjoy Australian red meat trust it's safe, high quality and ethically produced. Make sure you renew your LPA accreditation when it's due. You'll receive reminders ahead of time, so you can stand by what you sell.